Tired of running for cardio? Here are 3 alternatives that could spice up your routine. Let's dive into the world of jumping rope, swimming, and cycling. All 3 of these exercises offer a full-body workout, challenging your strength, endurance, and coordination. Plus, they're a fun break from the monotony of pounding the pavement. So if you're ready to switch up your cardio routine, keep watching. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more fitness tips and tricks. First up is jumping rope, an exercise that can burn more calories than running and is great for improving coordination. This activity is more than just a playground pastime, it's a powerhouse of a workout that combines cardio and agility training. It's all about technique, so let's break it down. Stand tall, keep your back straight and eyes forward. Hold the rope handles at about hip level. Remember, it's not about your arms, but your wrists doing the magic. They should be doing the work to turn the rope. Now when it comes to jumping, think light and quick. You only need to get high enough off the ground for the rope to pass under your feet. Don't jump too high, it's unnecessary and can lead to injury. Start slow, get the rhythm, and as you get comfortable, increase your speed gradually. You're not in a race, you're in a journey to fitness. Remember, it's all about consistency, so keep at it, and you'll see improvements in no time. Next, we have swimming, an exceptional full-body workout that's easy on the joints. This low-impact exercise is a fantastic cardio alternative that engages every muscle, from your core to your calves. Now, let's dive into the different strokes. Freestyle, or front crawl, is a speedy, efficient stroke that works your shoulders and back. The breaststroke, on the other hand, is a slower, more controlled movement that targets your chest and arms. And let's not forget the butterfly stroke, a challenging but rewarding style that strengthens your entire body. Each stroke presents a unique challenge and opportunity to diversify your workout. Swimming is not only a great cardio exercise, but it also helps improve strength and flexibility, so dive in and give it a try. Last, but not least, we have cycling, a low-impact exercise that can be done indoors or outdoors. Cycling is not just about moving from point A to point B, it's about the journey in between. It's a great way to improve your cardiovascular health, strengthening your heart and lungs while also working out your lower body muscles. But that's not all. Cycling also enhances your flexibility and agility. The best part about cycling, it's versatile. You can adjust the intensity to match your fitness level. Whether you're sprinting up a hill or taking a leisurely ride, you're still getting a fantastic workout. So, whether you're cycling on a trail or using a stationary bike, it's a fantastic way to get your heart pumping while enjoying the ride. So, there you have it. 3 excellent alternatives to running for cardio. Jump roping for agility, swimming for full-body conditioning, and cycling for stamina. Remember, the best exercise is the one you enjoy and can stick with. So mix it up and keep your body guessing. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.